Welcome to the presentation of Group 6. First of all, I have to say that I feel very delighted that I have a chance to have presentation with you today. Okay, so before we start, let me introduce myself first. My name is Viên, I'm a member in Group 6. The leader of Group is Miss Lin, and the other members of my group are Miss Hiens, Miss Lee, Miss Như, and Mr. Vin. And our presentation of us today will be about Foundation of Business Intelligence, Database and Information Management, detail of Lego Group. Our presentation is divided into three small parts. The first one, we talk about introduction of the Lego Group, a brief overview of the operation, process, and information system application to the business process. And then the second one will move on to answer questions about case study. And third, last but not least, we will together find out lesson learned. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, as you all know, the Lego Group, which is headquartered in Pilsen, Denmark, is one of the largest toy manufacturers in the world. Lego's main products have been to bricks and figures that children have played with for generations. In 2003, Lego was facing through competition from imitators and manufacturers of electronic toys. And then Lego transformed itself from a manufacturing firm to a market-oriented company that is capable of reacting fast to a changing global demand. Lego claims it will decrease 1,400 jobs, equivalent about 8% workforce. Lego's restructuring process, coupled with double-digit sales growth in the past few years, has led to the company's expansion abroad and make its workforce more international, and as in the chart you can see. Adapting company operations to their trends requires a flexible and robust IT infrastructure with business intelligence capabilities that could help management perform better forecasting and planning. As part of the solution, Lego to move to SAP, stand up systems, applications, and products, business suite software. Lego to implement SAP's System Change Management (HCM), Product Lifecycle Management (PLM), and Enterprise Resources Planning (ERP) modules. The HCM module includes essential features such as supply chain monitoring and analysis, as well as forecasting, planning, and inventory optimization. The PLM module enables management to optimize development process and systems. The ERP module includes, among other applications, for personnel, administration, and development. SRP's business suite is based on a flexible three-tier client service architecture. In the first tier, a client interface approach to a graphical user interface running on either on laptop, desktop, or mobile device. The application service, the second tier in the system, receive and process client requests. The third tier will consist of one or more relational databases. SAP's ERP's module includes advanced features such as talent management, as well as for handling employee, admin instructor, reports, travel, and time management. Their features allow Lego's human resources personnel to select the best candidates, schedule their training, and create a stimulus plan to retain them.
Now we are moving to the next part. Answer the question of case study. Question 1. Explain the role of the database in SAP pre-hire system. Lego implemented a SAP business suite which is based on a flexible three-tier client server. First tier. Customer can send requests from the browser run on computers, laptops, or mobile devices to the business. The second tier. The application server receives and processes customer requests. The third tier. Application server from a second tier send requests processed to the database system, including one or more relational database. Question 2. Explain why distributed architecture are flexible. They are flexible because data distributed architecture is suitable for the distributed nature of many users. High availability data. It allows authorized employees to have direct access to the database system from different locations. The data is highly reliable because when one node goes down, data can be restored here because its copy is stored at another node. Performance of the system is more advanced. Manager can easily retrieve reports from a database because it doesn't require to demand any technical skills. Question 3. Identify some of the business intelligence features included in Sharp's business software suite. Supply chain management, SCM, supply chain monitoring and analytics, as well as focusing, planning, and inventory optimization. Product life cycle management, PLM, enable managers to optimize development process and system. Enterprise resource planning, ERP, including human capital management, HCM, application for personal administration and development. Question 4. What are the main advantages and disadvantages of having multiple databases in a distributed architecture and explain? Main advantages are fault tolerance. Fault tolerance is a setup or configuration that prevents a computer or network device from failing in the event of an unexpected problem or error, such as power failure, power surge, data loss, system overload, and virus. Thus, when an interruption occurs from one database, the business can still retrieve data from other servers, save time, retrieve the lost data, and operate daily of the business is not seriously affected. Scalability. A distributed database system is easily scalable and supports an unlimited number of users as well as database, application servers, and a variety of hardware configurations. It enables an organization to add additional database or applications or hardware. This could allow an organization to effectively and efficiently add to the network where it needs to expand. Distribution of workload. Enable administrators to distribute the workload on various servers. Distributed architectures allow authorized employees to have direct access to the database system from different locations. How about disadvantages? Security issues. It is more vulnerable to external attacks than single database, and the possibilities of abuse are more possible in a multiple database than a single database, as a single database has more control of information. Cost of maintaining multiple databases in a distributed architecture. As each server requires a separate operating system, the cost of protecting and securing the server's operating backup will be expensive. Data quality and integrity. Since the database is accessible to users remotely, adequate controls are needed to control user updating data and data quality. With a large number of users accessing the data, it is likely to damage the data. It directly affects to the data quality when there is no proper control system. The main threat to the data integrity comes from several different users attempting to update the same data at the same time. From the above analysis, we have given lessons learned about humans, technology, systems, client-centric, and change to improve humans. To apply business intelligence systems, it requires business to have the staff with high qualification, flexible application, handling when changing information systems, the ability to select and implement problems in the system optimally. About technology, the first is require flexible and powerful information technology infrastructure with an intelligent management reporting system to help management make good forecasting and planning. The second is apply the span of modern science and technology to organize and invest in modern equipment and silicon computers. About the system, business needs to understand your business situation, select and apply appropriate information management system. Finally, about client-centric change to improve. Research customer needs, know what customer like, and expect us to retain the outstanding features, making the name of the business. Matching business intelligence with flexible information system is very important, such as control and exploit new data sources, turn rudimentary numbers into information, help managers make the right business decisions, shorten processing time, and predict the future business trends, targeted customer psychology with the ultimate goal of proposing appropriate business strategy. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for your listening and see you later.